welcome back to BasicToPro, and today we're working with the serial monitor. I'm just gonna give you guys a brief example how it works. First of all, this isn't everything, it's just gonna be very small just so you guys learn a little bit about debugging. Debugging is a great part of programming when you use big codes. Like for example, when we have long list of code and there's only one part of it where we get stuck. Well, then it's very handy to see some debug information. But you know what? Let's just get started. Type what I'm typing and you will get it on the serial monitor when you have your Arduino plugged in. First of all, void setup, void loop, as given as always. We never want to leave these apart. So now we type serial, capital S, dot, begin, all small letters, brackets, and type 9600, 9600. That's the baud rate. It's the standard for the Arduino. You can put it higher, but I personally prefer this because it's not too slow and it's not too fast. Next, in the void loop, very easy, serial dot print, and what we're gonna do now is just write a word. So we can also write variables, but we can write words if we want to. So serial.print, and now you type whatever you want. I prefer typing debug, and then whatever, start of loop, something like this. Next up, let's just for clarity, let's add a delay of about 1 second. That's good. So what this program will do is just print it. First thing to note, when we use serial.print, we actually say just print it on one line. So we will write, if we do this a couple of times, serial monitor will give debug start of loop, and you're directly after debug start of loop. That's not good. In some cases it's handy, like debug start of loop, and after that you do again serial print, and you do like debug start of loop and you print the variable if you want to give an outcome of something. That's very handy, but now we don't want that. So how do we solve it? Instead of print ln, and it's short for line. Print line, what it does is actually we print it, and after that we press enter and we start a new line. So when we run this, it will actually just give debug start of loop, enter, debug start of loop, enter, debug start of loop, and so on and so on and so on. So this is a basic principle of how it works. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked it, and if you really liked it, then definitely subscribe. Next episode is coming soon, and if you have any suggestions, just give them right now.